Hello there, everyone. This is the first part in our web series about how to create your Twitter PLN. So you can see here, I've started off that I'm on the Twitter website, which is www.twitter.com. And this is the landing page that you'll come up to. In this video, we're going to focus on creating a Twitter account and setting it up for an educational focus. So up in the top part of your screen, we're going to click sign up. So when you write your full name here, what you want to make sure, and I apologize here that my stuff is coming through, is your full name will be shown on your Twitter account. So maybe you don't want your whole name. I'm just going to put my first name and my middle name. And then you want to add your email. I recommend that you add an email that isn't your school email, so that just in case you ever leave your current job, you don't have to worry about not having access to it. And then you want to include a password. So here's an option where it says tailor Twitter based on my recent website visits. That's your choice. They gather any existing browser history that you have. I'm going to keep that on there, and I'm going to click sign up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do skip because I don't want to enter my phone number. And then my username. So this is something called your Twitter handle. And this is kind of like your screen name if you're similar to AOL. And there are some recommendations down here. But I'm going to use one that has to do with education. So I'm going to put Tucker _ teacher. Oh, and it's already taken. And then I'm going to put some numbers. Oh, I put 1, and that works. Oh, and now I'm going to hit next. So you can add a photo. I'm going to wait here because I'm not going to add a photo to my profile. So I'm going to hit skip. So this is where it's going to help to transition Twitter away from the pop culture and into education. So I'm going to type in education. I'm going to type in special education. I'm going to type in technology education. I'm going to type in assistive technology. And I'm going to type in autism. And project-based learning. So this just gets started on your Twitter profile. It's similar to Pandora, where it will start recommending things for you. I'm not going to import my contacts, so I'm going to click no thanks. And they're going to recommend accounts for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click let me choose on what I want to follow. So at this point, you can start seeing under technology information, they're giving lots of recommendations for people to follow. At this point, I'm not going to follow these because I want to wait and start looking at some other stuff myself. Actually, for this one under education, these are all really good accounts, so I am going to follow these ones. And even here for autism, you can see there's Autism Speaks. So keeping those tags that I initially typed in really helps to start develop my profile. So I'm going to unselect the ones based on my location. And then I'm going to do follow 22 and continue. So now I'm following those accounts, and it's going to help Twitter to figure out exactly why I'm using Twitter. And now my account is all set up. So you can see here that I'm following 22 people, And all of the tweets that those 22 people have already posted are now going to be on my account. So I can scroll through. In our second video, we're going to talk about how to find more people to follow and expand your personal learning network. Thanks for watching the first video.